Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today is going to be a pretty exciting video for me. This is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. It's going to be my first time driving a manual car. This is my buddy's 2010 Mazda 3S. He's going to be teaching me on, so I appreciate him taking the time out of his night to do that. But also I apologize for the lighting. Obviously it's nighttime, so it's not going to be that bright. But without further ado, let's step in and see how this goes.
Alright, key is standard. If you want to pull it out, there is a little safety release button. So you gotta pull it back, click the button to get it out.
Find it there we go.
There you go.
Brake, clutch.
Yep, clutch all the way in, key forward. Alright, so you're in neutral, because I never park in gear. Some people are weird like that.
How'd they do that?
So just in case the parking brake fails, then your transmission is the next thing for you to potentially stop from rolling downhill. Okay. As well as if you get towed while the car is in gear, it'll wreck the transmission, and then the tow truck driver's liable for that.
Oh, really?
As far as I know. So first thing I want you to do, park and brake down, clutch all the way to the floor, gear in first, and I just want you to pull up on the clutch until you feel it grab. And see the tack drop. Okay. And you'll feel it grab by it wanting to lurch forward. As soon as that happens, clutch all the way in, brake to the floor. First thing is getting a feel for how the clutch works.
All right. This clutch might do e-brake first and then put in gear?
E-brake first, then gear. So foot off the brake.
Just ease off.
Yeah, slower. All right, so you feel it grab there? Yep. All right, back in. Both feet back in. All right. So that's pretty much all you got to worry about. All right. As soon as you feel it start to roll, slowly come up the rest of the way. Don't hold it. So just pull up slowly until you feel it grab. Hold for like split second. Come up slowly the rest of the way. All right. And then you Gucci. Slowly up the rest of the way. And now just give it the rest of the gas, dude. You're rolling. I normally shift between 2,000 and 3,000 RPMs.
You should go back, right?
Oh, you should turn on your headlights.
Oh. Where's that? Are you?
Yep.
What is that noise?
Clutch to the floor. Clutch to the floor. Out of gear. Left knob on the steering wheel. Turn it. One more.
There we go.
There you go.
Alright, now. First.
Yep. Clutch up slowly. Feel it grab. Let it start to roll. Now, slowly up the rest of the way. One thing I did love about my old car is it had a shift light. So now you want to shift a second. Straight down. There you go. Yeah, but that's because it didn't have a tachometer.
Oh, it didn't have a tachometer?
Nope. It was,
you had an all feel, man.
It was just a... No, it had a shift light, so it would tell me when to shift up and shift down.
I don't like those.
So, in this scenario, you're going to want to start with foot on the brake. So, foot on the brake, and then you're going to come slowly up on the clutch until you feel it start to grab. And then you're going to release the brake, come up slowly, and give it a tad bit of gas. Just like feather it with your foot, just to keep the RPMs up a little bit.
If I wanted to learn on a 3500 dually diesel. I'm like, I'm good. I want to break the gearbox. It had that big ass stick on it.
Oh, those things are badass.
They are badass. He's got the 5.9 Cummins engine, and that thing, ooh, those 5.9 engines are awesome.
Not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Learning?
Huh? Yeah.
Well, I mean, you're more aptitude towards cars.
Right.
neutral coast until you reach the speed. And then I'd say put it in third and give it a blip. Straight up, give it a blip, and just release.
There we go. Alright.
Keep it in second, keep it in second.
Keep it in second?
Max.
Oh, so when I put it down, I must have put it in just fourth, yeah.
Oh, you skipped a gear?
Dude, you skipped 2 gears.
You're in fifth?
No, now I'm in sixth.
Oh,
I thought I was in second.
I told him to put it in second, and he accidentally put it in
Fourth, yeah.
I mean, that's better than a bunch of stuff.
Oh, yeah, 1, 2, 1.
I like to do what's called the California roll. Just slow down and then put it in first and just keep clutch up, no gas, clutch up.
Ooh.
All right, neutral coast under here and just bang it off the line.
Oh, that was a.
that was exciting.
No, that was a. What do you call it?
That was a cop.
Oh, no, it was an Explorer, though. That's why I was like, wait a minute.
Dodge. Remember, no gas between
No
options.
gas. All right.
They drive Dodge Durangos and Dodge Chargers and they don't go anywhere.
Can't
so
see.
first, and then just give it a little bit of gas. You only gotta blip it. You only gotta blip it forward. Bang it! Come on!
Damn it!
All right, so I'm going back down. I missed it.
You missed the spot, or you missed the
I
bang?
know. Well, no, I missed the thing. My hand slipped off, so I was like,
Ah!
Dude, I was ready.
I know.
It didn't happen. I was
I
like,
missed
no!
it.
He went to 6 again. I'll probably do worse. No one made. Nothing is more classic than watching that girl go up and down that hill 8,000
Ooh,
times.
bouncing.
And that guy's sob 9th grade.
Book it, kid.
Oh, I thought it was.
Oh. What was that?
Oh, that guy took off. A little shaky on the the on ramps.
It's all good, brother. It's all a learning experience. Up neutral coast.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, but that guy, he blew a tire when he was doing that. That's why he flew off the side.
Pop it into third. Hit it up to like 2,500 just with a blip. And then release.
But no, yeah.
I should have adjusted the mirrors. My camera's hitting the thing. guess the hardest thing for me right now is just getting onto the highway from first.
I mean, so pretty much even if there's a stop sign on the highway on ramp, I just ignore that shit because I really don't feel like stopping.
Sideways.
Yep, so just first, no gas. Just keep going straight.
Oh, go straight?
And then you can just pull into it if you want. It's after the light. At least you didn't stop in gear.
Yeah.
My first day, I definitely did.
Oh, in your car you stop in
Yep.
gear?
Oh, there we go. Clutch to the
did it.
floor. At least we got it on camera.
Yeah, I know, right?
I thought it would happen sooner. Proud of you, Kevin.
Only one.
It's your first day at school, and we're gonna meet up later. But I was in the parking lot, in that parking lot for some reason.
I honestly don't remember who I had in the car.
Alright, as I take this off my head here. You can see that was the first time.
Throwing it out of here.
A little shaky, but not too bad. Honestly, I thought it would be worse, especially just starting out. But
And who said you can't drift front wheel drive? I am surprised I haven't sent a piston to the moon.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching my first time driving manual. Definitely still have some things to work on, but overall it was not too bad. Major shout out to my boy Josh for letting us use his 2010 Mazda 3S and taking the time out of his night to teach us. Also, a shout out to Jack, who was in the back seat. He has a YouTube channel as well, y'all should go check out, called By Data. Link for both will be in the descriptions below. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure to leave a like. If you have any suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments box below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Remember to be kind, be happy, and be grateful, and I'll see you in the next one.